So one Srinivasacharya glorifies their heart by saying, Krishna kirtana gana nartana pro premamritam vilnidhi. They were just jumping and dancing in abandon and Sankirtan. Their arms raised above their heads. Nitai Gaur, Haribo, Haribo, Hare Krishna, Hari Haraya Nama Krishna Yaravaya Nama. Utkirtan, Krishna Utkirtan, loudly Utkirtan, Gana Nartana Paro, they were dancing. They were not dry armchair philosophers, just sitting around, arguing fine points of philosophy or Vedanta Sutra. They were Krishna Kirtana Gana Nartana Paro. And then it says, then it describes their qualities. Krishna Kirtana Nartana Pro Primamritam Dira and Dira Jana Priyo Priyakaro Nirmatsurano Satam. It says they liked everyone. So this verse, because I explained there's two criterion to get success in Braj Bhajan. And one is Niraparadi and one is this Nishta. So I've illustrated Dham Nishta. Now I'm illustrating Niraparadi by the lives and examples of the six Goswamis, because those are our exemplars, perfect acharyas. Yadyara charati shrestas tatat avitarojana sayat pramanam kurute lokas tananavartante. Krishna tells in Gita that the acharya is Shreshta. The Shreshta acharya, he's the best of men by his achar and his sound vibration and his physical vibration. His physical vibration is his achar, and his sound vibration is prachar. Prachar and achar. And then if he eats too much prasadam, then it's dakar. Dakar. So there's achar, prachar, and dakar. But because his achar is good, then Vachravegam, Anasakrodavegam, Jivavedam, Uravasthavegam. So no problem with dakar, not eating too much. I'm not finished. Wait a second.